She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. You see, my mother doesn't love me. How could she? She wants to live and love and wear vivid blouses. But here I am, 25 years old, and a constant reminder that she's not young anymore. I mean, when I'm not around, she could be 32. But when I am, she's 43! And she hates me for it. She also knows I have no respect for the theater. She loves the theater. She seems to think she's a servant to humanity or the sacred cause of art. Whereas, as far as I'm concerned, the modern theater is in a blind alley. A fenced-off blind alley. I mean, when that curtain goes up, and those geniuses, those priests of sacred art, artificially lit, in a room with 3 walls, reproduce the way people drink, and eat, and love, and move about, and put their jackets on. I mean, when they try to concoct some moral out of their crass scenes and dreary lines, some petty, oversimplified moral, some one-size-fits-all moral for handy domestic use. When they try to offer 1,000 varieties of the same thing over and over and over again, that's when I run for it. Run away. Like Maupassant ran away from the Eiffel Tower. Because its crass vulgarity was pulverizing his brain.